Hello, everybody. This is Marta from the Urban Ecology Agency of Barcelona. Thank you very much, especially to Host Water. This is a really relevant conference for us, where we can show all the great job all the partners have been doing during the last 2 years. I will explain you two of the outputs we have generated during this code presentation, the manifesto and the MedCompostNetwork. Two initiatives which once we want to extend score results to other places. As you know, there are some common problems in the countries of the Mediterranean basin related to biowaste management and quality of soils. For example, the lack of organic carbon in soils, soil erosion and desertification, the low fertility, especially on agricultural land, the use of chemicals, fertilizers, pesticides, the landfill impact due to the biowaste in these landfills, biogas, waste sewage, space occupation, the methane impacts on climate change, and also the loss of versatile materials by mixed collection. So, to deal with these issues, we must act. We have too many challenges that we have tried to tackle with scope project. Act at the first stages at source, close the cycle of biowaste, introduce appropriate drivers and specific targets, promote high-quality biowaste separation at source, implement efficient and adapted collection schemes, deploying biowaste recycling capacity and economically and technically sustainable facilities, ensure quality compost to be applied to soils, develop awareness, training, and know-how transfer activities, and foster monitoring and benchmarking. As I said, we have developed a manifesto to promote and disseminate a proper food waste management in the Mediterranean basin, with the aim of drawing a proposal of regulatory and policy recommendations on biowaste management. The document outlines the best strategies, measures, and activities to develop an efficient and proper management of food waste in the Mediterranean basin. It has been elaborated and agreed by a working group conformed by different stakeholders and experts, including the project partners, as well as entities involved in waste management. The signatories to the manifesto agree with the included commitment statements and undertake to promote and spread these principles. The definition of a common and coordinated strategy in the Mediterranean basin is of utmost importance. It can lead to faster adoption of measures and municipal solid waste management practices that aim to achieve the environmental and socio-economical benefits of biowaste proper management. The manifesto is addressed to a wide range of stakeholders with the objective of being signed and joined by as many entities and experts as possible. The target stakeholders are the following: local, regional, national authorities, public entities and private entities and companies related to the waste management, environmental NGOs, experts in the sphere. The manifesto can be signed as an individual person or expert, as well as an entity or company. You are kindly invited to join the manifesto via this link, or you can also send an email to this address. We will also kindly appreciate your help in disseminating the scope and the manifesto to your contacts. I will explain some of the commitments that the manifesto introduces. First of all, signatories to this manifesto commit to support the introduction of appropriate drivers for prevention, reuse, and separate collection and recycling of biowaste as part of regional, national strategies for municipal solid waste management. Signatories of the manifesto also commit to support the introduction of targets for food waste collection and recycling. The signatories will also support separate collection schemes of bio-waste, focusing especially on food waste, and the development also of appropriate food waste collection schemes, also from environmental and economical point of view, giving preference especially to curbside systems wherever feasible. One of the parts of the manifesto, one of the main parts of the manifesto, is also the commitment about impurities. We support those collection schemes that minimize impurities at source and implement any kind of control and traceability mechanism on impurities. To make all this possible, promote awareness campaigns and spread knowledge is a must. Regarding the type and size of the composting facilities, we support all kinds of initiatives aimed at developing a steadily developing bio-waste recycling capacity to be economically and technically sustainable in the long term. We are supporting also the compost production from separate collection of bio-waste that intend to assure quality for compost to finally promote a real compost market, preferably with proximity criteria. Finally, signatories of the manifesto should encourage environmental authorities at regional or national level and commit themselves to monitor activities and promote the inclusion of bio-waste recycling into the development of environmental strategies and disseminate the already existing good practices. In the SCOPE project, we want also to make possible the continuity of the experiences we have had, especially the knowledge sharing we have developed and promoted. To achieve this goal, we have created, and today we are launching, the MedCompost Network for sharing ideas and promoting practical development of bio-waste management systems around the Mediterranean basin. The MedCompost Network wants to be a network of entities involved in bio-waste management and treatment in the Med area, promoting initiatives aimed at high-quality bio-waste management. All the actions will be based on high-quality source separation bio-waste management and compost application, considering the food management hierarchy and the circular economy principles. The main objective of the network is to promote practical initiatives aimed at high-quality bio-waste management and compost use. This includes models based on any type of efficient biological treatment, particularly composting, but also anaerobic digestion, and low-cost, low-tech solutions when possible. In this slide, you can see the logo and the image we have developed for the MCN. Who can be interested in joining the Mediterranean Compost Network? National, local, or regional authorities, National Composting Association, universities and other research institutes, composting facilities, NGOs, individual experts. In summary, all entities located or operating in Mediterranean area and related to our area. By joining us, members will get the following benefits, like regular information, publication, conferences, networking platform, training activities, cooperation projects. Members can be part of the MCN board or the MCN working groups. Please be aware that some services will be launched through the next year and others when the network will be formalized. How can we get involved? You can be part of the MCN by joining the group of members, becoming a sponsor, or being part of the experts and companies database. Of course, you can sign up in the manifesto, and soon we will start with our newsletter, which one you can sign up. The MCN is a starting initiative that will become a formal association during the next year, and all the dissemination elements will be ready by the end of this year. Remember that we will start with some structure basic services like spreading regular information, know-how, sharing and searching new cooperation projects, grants and partnerships. And for more information, you can follow us, you can contact us or visit the website. Thank you very much for your attention and hope you are having a fruitful conference. Thank you and see you soon.